Ways to save money fast in 2022.13. Find a better bank. Ideally, your bank should have no checking fee, a wide ATM network and good online banking services. If your bank regularly hits you with account maintenance fees or ATM fees, look for another bank. Some great service banks that offer these features and some also online services banks that excel at online banking in particular include Best Full Service Online Bank, Ally. Best Customer Service, Capital One. Best Challenger Bank, Chime. 12. Consolidate your student loans. Consolidating your student loans into a single loan with a locked-in low interest rate can make your monthly student loan payments lower while also saving you money over the long haul. 11. Master the 10 seconds rule. The 10-second rule simply states that if you're about to make any purchase, think for 10 seconds about why you shouldn't buy it. Do you really need it? Do you already have something like it? Can you borrow something like it? If you begin to have doubts, just put the item down. You can always buy it some other time. 10. Sign up for free customer reward programs. If you're already making a purchase at a store, see if they offer free customer rewards program and, if they do, sign up. Create a new email address just for these rewards programs so your regular email isn't overwhelmed with offers, then check that email if you're considering to make a purchase. These programs will often result in discounts and rewards on things you're already going to buy. 9. Master the 30-day rule. This means if you're about to make a major purchase, say anything over $20, that isn't absolutely necessary, wait 30 days before you buy it. Stick that item on a wish list somewhere, and come back to it in 30 days. If you still want it, go for it. If you don't want it anymore, then you'll have saved yourself a lot of cash on something you didn't even really want. This is a great way to get around bad buying impulses. 8. Don't spend big money entertaining your children. This is particularly true for younger children, but often older ones as well. Children mostly want time, not stuff. If you prompt them for stuff, they'll come up with a list, of course, but it's time together that they really crave. 7. Negotiate rates with your credit card company. If you're carrying a credit card balance, talk to your credit card issuer about lowering the interest rate. This saves you cash which you would have instead paid on interest. If this option fails, we have a backup plan in the next point. 6. Transfer your credit card balance through a zero-interest offer. If number 7 doesn't work for you, look for a zero-interest balance transfer offer. This will allow you to move your balance to a new card, and that balance will be interest-free for a time, often 12 or 18 months. When you make payments on it, all of the money goes to reducing the balance instead of vanishing in the form of interest payments. 5. Open the windows. Rather than using energy to achieve a livable temperature in your home, open the windows and keep ceiling fans running. That will use far less energy than your AC or furnace. Use them only in the most extreme times, when open windows and fans aren't cutting it. Use tip 4. 4. Use this life hack on your ceiling fan. There are a number of great energy-saving ceiling fan tricks, but this one is likely the best. There's a little switch on your fan that sets the direction that the blades turn. In the winter, you want the blades to spin clockwise when you look up at them. In the summer, you want them spinning counterclockwise. This keeps warm air in the middle of the room in winter and cool air in the middle of the room in summer. 3. Buy appliances based on reliability. Reliability should be the top factor that you consider when buying home appliances if you want to maximize your dollars. Use Consumer Reports for reliability data and stick to models and manufacturers with great reliability scores for the type of appliance you're buying. When you buy an appliance that lasts 15 years instead of 10, you're buying only 2 of them over the course of 30 years instead of 3. 2. Look for a used option first. Whenever you're considering buying anything non-perishable, consider looking for a used option first. Of course, this won't always be a great fit, but it works for a lot of things, from musical instruments and sporting goods to small kitchen appliances and clothes. 1. Remove your credit card info from online accounts. Having your credit card number stored in an online account might seem convenient, but it's actually a temptation. It makes it just so easy to tap a few times and make a purchase.